If you're in the middle of a home renovation or construction project or simply need to clear out some clutter, there is one name you can trust. Countryside Rental LLC is your leading choice for efficient waste management in Apple Valley, Minnesota. We are your go-to partner for garbage dumpster rental in Apple Valley, Minnesota. Whether you're managing a construction site, renovating your home, or just need to declutter your space, Countryside Rental LLC has got you covered. With our specialized garbage dumpster rental services, Countryside Rental LLC caters to the diverse needs of its customers, from residential cleanouts to large-scale construction sites. And the best part? The rental process is made easy with flexible rental options for delivery and competitive pricing. With prompt, professional service, you can trust Countryside Rental LLC to provide the dumpster you need to complete your project efficiently. Don't hesitate to contact us at 507-298-0950 to speak with our friendly staff. You can also visit our website at www.countrysidedumpsterrental.com Dumpster Rental Apple Valley MN to reserve your dumpster today. Countryside Rental LLC, your trusted partner for waste management solutions in Apple Valley, Minnesota. Experience efficiency, reliability, and top-notch service with us.